Oh my god, yeah, he's so flippin' hot, but I don't know if he likes me. You saw the way he was looking at me? Oh my god, those girls are so freaking jealous. I mean, like, totally. I mean, no. I don't know, they're just flippin' idiots. Hold on. I think my door's leaking. Hold on. Honey, do you need a tam? What about a pad? Oh my god. Oh my god, are you okay? Oh my god, it won't stop leaking. Oh my god. Oh well. Whatever. Hello? Yeah, my door was leaking. I was like, hold on. The hell? Hold on. You're flipping funny. Hold on. Who the hell are you?
I'm gonna kill you.
Right. You wait.
No, I'm seriously gonna kill you.
Right, babe. Stop playing.
I'm gonna kill you.
Uh-huh. And this bitch is trying to, like, say that she's gonna kill me.
I'm gonna kill you.
Hey,
I'm trying to kill her right now. Leave me alone.